YouTube, it's your boy 360 Joshy, and I'm back at it again with another wave video. And today, guys, we got something good. We got something in the mail. We got something in the mail.
Zeelan made this one.
Nice and silky smooth.
YouTube, today guys, what we're gonna be doing is a review on the OG medium smooth Stylz 360 wave brush. This brush right here, guys, I've seen a lot of reviews on it of different wavers, their opinions, and I'm gonna be doing my personal own review. And I'm proud to announce that I'm an official ambassador of Smooth Stylz and their wave products. I'm gonna be promoting their products on my pages, on my social media pages. They're giving me a shot to promote their brand, their product, and I hope this video is awesome and they enjoy it. Their Instagram, if you want to go follow them, it'll be right here. Should be popping up right about now somewhere. Should be somewhere. But anyways, guys, I'm gonna unrag and we're gonna be doing a review. Let's get into the video. I'm gonna be doing a brush session with this brush, telling you what I think, how I think it feels, and the progress, whatever it has done to my head. What do I think? I'll be showing you what it has done to my head. How does it feel? And if giving you a rate on buying this brush, I'm gonna give you an honest rate, honest opinion on this brush on today. Let's get into the video. Enough talk, enough said. Let's open up this bad boy. Look at here, I got a card. It says Smooth Stylz 360 wave brush. Brush curve that shapes of your head to create a uniform 360 hairstyle wave pattern. Wow. 100% soft bristle with light tan finish. Wow. This is the brush right here, guys. Let's get into it. Let's use it. Let's see what it's about. This is the brush. Alright. I'm about to unrag. Now I'm gonna go on a good brush session. I'm ready. What the? Well, guess we gotta throw this one in the trash. In the trash you go. Goodbye. I'm gonna go do the hot towel method. I'll be right back. Alright, you got the hot towel. Left it on there for a good minute. Now let's go. Forgot my mirror.
Zeelan made this one.
Alright guys, with this brush, to be honest, on a scale on 1 to 10, I'm gonna give this brush a 9.5. Because I'm gonna keep it real with you. With this brush right here, when I say it pulls your hair, I've never brushed my hair with a medium brush that it pulls your hair. Like when I say it pulls, it's pulling my waves to an extent. It's like it's extending them. When I was seeing as I was brushing, it's pulling them, and I like the feel and how my waves was looking. Cause my waves before this morning when I was brushing with my other brushes, it wasn't looking like that. I seen some progress as I was brushing, coming forth, some new progress. So I know for a fact, if I keep consistently using this brush all week, my wave's gonna be spinning hands down way better than before. Like this brush, I know for a fact it'll speed your progress. This is a good brush right here. I've heard other people say it's a real good brush, but me trying it myself, it's a great brush. To be honest guys, it's a real good brush. To get one of these brushes, I'm gonna put the link in the description below the website to get this brush right here. And once again, their Instagram to go follow. The company Smooth Stylz that makes these brushes is right here. Peace, thank you, God bless. Shout out to Smooth Stylz for, it's been an honor, and it's a very great honor to be able to review this brush, to send me this brush. I really appreciate you guys for the support and supporting my channel and the content that I'll be bringing. And I love all the wavers. Shout out to 360G, 360 Typhoon, Waveman TV. Shout out to all of my fans, the Joshi team, all the people that support me. I really appreciate you guys. I thank you guys for all what you've done. And back then, all the people that have been with me since 100 subscribers, we're almost to 1,000. We just hit 700, and the channel is growing so far. And I thank God for what He's doing to this channel. Peace, thank you, God bless, and go Team Joshi. And remember, only you can prevent naps.